I was here about 2 months ago. They had just started to work on the 31st floor, and right now they're working on the 37th floor. Yeah, the tower looks really tall right now, from especially if you look at it from down here. Yeah, and the progress is good. They're working on it. There has they do not have any case of stolations, and the way court cases and stuff. So they are here. They are always even right now they are working on it. So I want to show you different angles of this tower. Kindly give it a thumbs up if you love the project. Subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Yes, because I promised to show you the progress of this project from the beginning to the end, and you see I've always been updating you. And also, if you want to see this project until the 44th floor, I'll also be showing you. So what you need to do is to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss this. Yes, so right now I'm looking at it from the neighboring tower here. It's known as 4th Ngong Avenue. It's also a tall tower. I did not take the photographs of this building because I'm not allowed. So, and this one is okay. I'm looking at it from Landmark Plaza. This is Landmark Plaza. Look at how tall it looks from here. From here, it looks taller than Prism, but if you look at it from another place, you'll see it looks shorter than Prism. So it depends on where you're looking at it from. Yeah, even from this angle here, it looks taller than Prism. So if you come closer, you see it looks taller than Prism, but if you go far away, like you begin to see it. It depends on where you're looking at it from. So this is the progress so far, my guys. This tower will contain 44 floors, and it will be the tallest, luxurious. We have tallest, we have another tallest, but it's not luxurious than this one. This will be the most luxurious, tallest luxurious in Africa. Let me show you something. This is what I was talking about. Right now I've gone to, this is Uhuru Park. I'm next to Uhuru Park, and okay, I'm near the Ministry of Health. If you look at this tower from here, you see it looks shorter, way shorter than Prism. So it depends on where you are looking at it from, and who can explain to me what. I guess it's because the ground level on which these towers are being built, the ground level is different. So yeah, that's why when you look at it from right now, and this is I'm looking at it from Nairobi area traffic police. From here, it looks also shorter than Prism. So it depends on where you're looking at it from. Right now I'm looking at it from Ralph, and here it looks taller than Prism. Looks taller than Prism Tower. A really beautiful tower. So in terms of floors, this will be the tower with the most floors in Kenya, because we still have taller towers like Britam, which is still the tallest, and it will still be the tallest for quite some time, but it does not have as many floors as this one. So this one will be the tower with the most floors in Kenya, and I don't know. I don't know which one will come to overtake it. For now, look at how beautiful it looks from here. Very, very beautiful. So, and these guys are working even on a weekend. I guess they want to keep the promise. They said one floor per week, and that's what they are doing right now. They're working even right now on a weekend. And what they did not do, usually when somebody is building, what they usually do is they cut down trees. Look at this place here. Look at the trees. They never touch it. In fact, the place looks like uh, It looks like more trees have been planted here. So these are the neighboring towers. So this place, around this place, we will be having skyscrapers because look at the neighboring towers. They're also very tall. This is Fourth Ngong Avenue Tower and Prism Tower. Let me also show you this tower from another angle. Now I'm looking at it from Ngong Road. This is Ngong Road, a place known as Pine Tree, Pine Tree Plaza near Casavera. The KRGs and Friends Club. Yeah, that's where I'm looking at it from. And from here, 88 looks slightly shorter than Prism. Yeah, although right now, 88 has about 5 floors more than about 6 floors more than Prism, but it still looks shorter than Prism. As I said earlier, it's because of the ground level. I don't know. Somebody told me about the bedrock, but I'm not an engineer. I'm not a civil engineer. So if you're a civil engineer, please let us know why it looks shorter when it has many floors already than Prism. Yeah, that's how things are. Kenya is known for safari, and Nairobi is the only city in the world that has a national park right in it. The only city in the world with a national park, a big national park. So let me tell you why Nairobi needs more skyscrapers. It complements the safari. You just book an Airbnb as an expert. You book a penthouse, and then on top there, you zoom into the national park. And the safari begins. Yeah, because it's the only city with a national park in it. Complements everything. And yeah, so far that's the progress so far. Thanks for clicking through. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And see you on another one. I'll be updating you on this project.